Okay. Uh, can I ask? Can I ask you some question about topic history, Queen?
Yes.
Okay. Question one. Do you like learning history?
While learning history is my cup of tea, I like to learn about historical figures and historical events. So learning histories can give me a better understanding of this. What historical event do you find most interesting, Duong?
Oh, well, I think this question is really putting me on the spot because my recollection about historical even are pretty hazy. The more interesting even with me is Independence Day, which took place on the 2nd of September in 1945. This day play an important which mark a milestone of freedom and happiness, and also open a new era for Vietnam, my beloved. Do you like to watch program about history on TV?
Well, actually speaking, I'm really into watching documentary which are displayed on the TV. I can spend almost my quality time watching a lot of historical video which are not shown in textbook. For example, I watched an interesting video which retell about the life of Ho Chi Minh president and historical period of regaining independence for Vietnam people. And do you think the internet is a good way to learn history, Queen?
While the internet theater is an useful tool for everyone to learn, especially videos related to history. 20 years ago, learners had to learn history through traditional ways, such as newspaper, textbook, or broadcast. But in modern day society, students tend to search the internet, gain more knowledge of history.
Chị Quỳnh hỏi câu chi tiết sau.
So next is topic dreams. Can I ask you some questions, Duong?
Yes.
How often do you remember your dreams after you wake up?
Well, to be frank with you, I remember most of my dream, especially the dream about me and my idol. We can hang out and do something. And in addition, I can remember that dream about the detail in the movie I often watch. Do you like hearing about other people dream?
As a curious like me, I always expect to hear about other people's dream. Because when some tell me about their dream, that means they trust me enough to say their inner thought, and people dream can tell a lot about them as a person. Their ambition and their struggle and so on. Do you think dream can help? Do you think dream can have special meaning when
In my opinion, I do believe that dreams bring messages to us about the reality world, and but it also depends on how we interpret that dream. So that dream could be meaningful or not. Um, would you like to learn more about the subject of dreams, Duong?
Of course, I would love to cover more about the subject. in depth because for me dreams are so random and just fascinating. I always wonder why I have a dream like that. Um, and what is this mean? If I have a free time, I think it is the best of my choice can help me comprehend myself more. Okay. Um, Next topic. Uh, can I ask you some question about topic math?
Okay.
No. No. Okay. When did you start learning math?
Let me remember. Math is, let me remember in Vietnam, math is considered as a compulsory subject for every pupil at primary school, and no exception. I learned math since I was at grade one. Okay. Do you like math, Queen?
Actually, math is my fault. The reason why I'm really into math is a root of science and or understanding of the physical world. In addition, math can help me to judge intelligence and logical thinking. Who's your favorite math teacher so far, Dương?
My math teacher at my primary school was the best of my house. But she is beautiful, kind, and really passionate when she teaching for us because I'm not good about math. Is math difficult for you to learn? Huệ?
Well, it depends. Some people find it difficult to learn. To me, it's so interesting that I can spend whole day long learning it. I pour my heart and blood and sweat into math question and struggle with them to find the question, find the answer. Do you like to use a calculator, Queen?
Yes, I do. The appearance of calculator is one of the amazing inventions in the world. I often use my calculator to sit for tests, and I find it easier for everyone who uses calculator when learns math.
Okay, done.
Then